Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you on behalf of Khabrein Abhi Tak, as well as Maharishi Markandeshwar deemed to be university. It's my unique pleasure that I represent both these very progressive organizations. And CAT Edu Conclave comes from the idea that although we run a news channel, but at heart we are educationists. So a lot of time we see on TV movie stars are celebrated, cricketers are celebrated, but the real heroes of our nation, our teachers, our educationists, edu leaders, institutes are not celebrated enough. Although everyone has a lot of reverence, but I think media or press as the fourth pillar of democracy should always focus on this very important nation building tool, which is education. If we look at empirically, if we look at Southeast Asian nations, if we look at any nation that has improved the lives of millions of people, it has been done through education. And guys, just a second. So it is very important that we cherish whatever we have achieved in last couple of years, especially during the time of COVID. Teachers who were about to retire, so many granddads and grandmoms, so many parents who were not so tech savvy, they learned so many things for the future of our nation. And I think this is a small step by Khabrein Abhi Tak news channel, by MMDU, our knowledge partner, and as well as our sponsor, to recognize whatever has been done by educationists. Today, right now we are at a very important stage of nation building. New national education policy also has been implemented. COVID has changed things, not just pre-vaccination era. It will change things permanently, how we approach things. And today we decided that in the presence of people who are working as edutech providers, as well as people who are educationists, to look at these two issues in more prominence. And for that, we decided to have a couple of panel discussions around it. And secondly, we don't want to congratulate people who are receiving the award today. There were thousands of applicants, and they all were achievers in their own sense. So sometimes we forget about the people who are not present in the room. So I think I would like to congratulate all those people who applied for awards, who tried very hard for it, and sometimes to choose 30, 40 people is just not so fair. I think those people also deserve award and recognition for whatever they have done in the field of education. And I welcome you all once again. Some of you are my friends, I've known you for some time, and some of you will be new friends from today onwards. And although I just received a message that our ex-education minister, Shri Ram Vilas ji, is about to reach in next 10-15 minutes. And otherwise, we wanted to start with the panel discussion. So we will. I think Sumit. So what is the timeline on their arrival? 15 minutes. Okay. So I think what could be done is, for 15 minutes, we can have because Sanjay Chukji is here and so many other luminaries are here, I think we can have a good, exciting discussion in the meantime. So if he comes, we will, take a break for his welcome. I think that will be a good idea to go forward. Welcome, everyone. Thank you.